welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today's video is going to be the assumptions video, and I'm a little late on this because I've shot this one and then lost the footage. I used to wonder why people usually lose footage, but there's so much going on. So I posted this on Instagram asking you guys to assume something. I'm sure you guys know this tag. It's been going around. Everybody has done the video on this. So there's a lot of assumptions. I'll just get started. The first one says shopaholic. Definitely I am a shopaholic, but I've reduced my shopping like comparatively. I know when you see like a haul video or like shopping video on my channel, you're like, when did you reduce shopping? But these are like pre-shot, and then sometimes they're PR, sometimes they're sent for videos. So I've reduced a lot. I hardly buy anything unless I'm doing a street shopping video or I'm particularly trying to review something. And I also look at it as an investment for the channel because you want your channel to grow. But apart from that, I've stopped a lot, but still I would definitely say I am a shopaholic. But yeah, it's going down. Next one says that you prefer Western wear over ethnic. Not really. That really depends on the mood, the occasion, the season and all that. But yeah, currently I love Indian. The next one says you work hard but hide all the stress with your smile. I think I have become very hardworking only after I started YouTube channel. At work, I definitely make sure that I get things done. Office or work wise, I am very particular about my work. Definitely get things done. I should feel productive at the end of the day. That is there, but I was not always hardworking. School and college, I was very disinterested. I wasn't sure what my interests were. I wasn't sure what I should be pursuing or what my skill sets are or what I will be good at and all those things. So yeah, right now, yes, I am very hardworking, but that is something that came over the years. If you feel I hide that with my smile, then yeah, probably. But I don't take much stress. I don't stress on things. I'm very like happy-go-lucky kind of a person. I have my values and rules and sets of things that I like to do, I want to do, but I don't stress. I don't take too much stress mostly. Very rare. And then Mummy to video. Okay, she's asked me to do a video with my mom. I did one recently for Women's Day, so if you missed that, do check it out. I will definitely include more videos where my mom will be around in the videos. Probably both channels, both English and Telugu channels. And next one says you're a dog lover. Yes, I'm an animal lover, but I'm shit scared of animals. Let it be dogs, let it be anything else. Like I was scared of dogs all my life. Recently, I've started getting used to it. Like there are 2 street dogs on my street. When I slowly started making friends with them, and one of them had puppies, and then yeah, it's a long story, but yeah, now you guys know that the other dog lives with us. I am still scared of random dogs. So the next one is the first thing I assume that you're very rich. Another one which says you're a richy rich simple girl. Yeah, so this seems to be a very common assumption. Let me just start by telling you, I think everyone should be financially independent, and especially women, irrelevant of whether your dad or your husband or whoever is around and they are willing to pay for things or whatever. But every woman should be financially independent. This is what I've concentrated since the time I started working. So if you see me buying anything, let it be for the channel, let it be my shopping, let it be lifestyle, everything is something that I've earned, and that is something that I wanted. So as soon as you finish your college, you would have certain things on your mind, right? Whether you want to travel or you want to buy certain things. So that is something that I wanted to do for myself. Is my family well off? My family is quite stable. So my dad is from a small village and he moved here. They are an agricultural family. So my grandpa was into agriculture, and my dad moved here after his graduation, and they started a business and they grew as time went by. So I wrote a blog post once, if you remember, if any of you guys read it. I used to have like 1 pair of shoes through my first year of engineering. Not that if I asked, my dad obviously would buy me 1 more pair, but I would feel guilty to ask or spend on a lifestyle like that asking my parents or somebody else for that money. And I discovered street shopping later and all. That is a separate story, but I wanted certain things and I wanted to work on it. So wherever it is that you want to be working on your skills, and you have to set both small term and long term goals, that is a yearly goal or 5-year plan or whatever, and then get there eventually. That's what anyone has to do. That's what I've been doing. I think that answers your question, even though that was a super long answer. The next one says you prefer watching movies over reading books. This is so true. Recently I have started reading a little bit, but I just can't sit through the whole book. It's just impossible for me. I've never read books my entire life, which is why my vocabulary is not that great. So that is something you should take away from this. Reading helps a lot. I work in the marketing side. I do have to read, edit a lot of things which I don't like, but yeah, I still do it. I'm a little lazy about it. So if I want to read a motivational thing, I would rather prefer watching a motivational video by Jack Ma rather than reading about it, definitely. The next one says you're a little high maintenance. I think this is more on the lines of the previous question, but if you're talking money wise, I don't think I am very high maintenance. I think I like to be self-sufficient. I like to spend on my own lifestyle, whatever it is that I want, and it varies. It depends. It depends on my current income, or it depends on your age and everything else. So I think as we grow up, we realize that everything is materialistic and it does not need so much spending. So I think we change eventually. Sometimes we don't. It's just personal choice, I think. But I do like to splurge on food and my accessories or clothes and all that. I haven't traveled in a while, but even when I travel, I like to do both. I like to do luxury travel. I like to do basic. There was one trip to Gokarna where I hardly spent 5,000 or 6,000 on the entire trip because it was a road trip and we did not book the accommodation. We stayed at like random places, so I really enjoy both. But I think you would know that watching my videos. But if you're talking about high maintenance in general, I don't think so, because I don't expect much from people or situations. I just do my own thing, so that way I'm not high maintenance. But money wise, if you're talking about my expenditure and all that, it depends. But nobody else has to maintain me. I take care of my expenses, so that is not a problem. And the next one says, I think you're an introvert. Yes, definitely. If you see me in a party, I'll be in one corner, just doing my own thing, like maybe observing everyone, or just maybe just doing this nod to the music, but you will not see me randomly socializing with people. And I also work in marketing, so I definitely have to meet new people and engage with them. Yeah, I can be social depending on the circumstances, but I would prefer not to. Okay, I don't think this is a assumption. Says you're a beautiful human being. You always replied. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. I try to reply to most of the comments and DMs. I really try, unless it's very repetitive and there are questions which I've already answered. Always try to respond to DMs. But if you're looking for spoon feeding, if you're going on asking me questions, that's when probably I'll tell you, watch this particular video or do check out this one. I've already put that information or something like that. The next one, I think this is also a common question. It says you have a boyfriend. There's one more which says you're either engaged or at least fixed, because there's a lot of posts on wedding. And then the one which says you have a secret boyfriend which you will reveal when you reach 50k or 100k. No, I'm not getting married this year, nor am I engaged. The post related to wedding is because of wedding season. I've been doing like a series of wedding related posts and posts and videos because it was wedding season. I don't know when is wedding season in India, because I feel like people are getting married all throughout the year. And I had some functions to attend, so I was either doing some wedding related shopping, or I was also attending a couple of functions, so that's why the wedding get ready with me and all that. No, I'm not engaged, nor am I getting married this year. And if I am, then I will definitely keep you guys posted. I would love to do some posts or videos related to that also, like wedding makeup or outfit and all that, so you will definitely know. So the next one says you don't care about your weight, you love yourself like Jab Bhi Met Geet, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Okay. About weight, everybody has to stay fit. We all have to exercise, eat healthy. Yes, I like to work on myself, but when you say I don't care, yes, I don't care about what other people think about any physical appearance, let it be weight or let it be anything else. I think we should be content in ourselves. You have very few friends, yet close ones. Yes, I always stay in touch with everyone that I meet. And I love spending time with people, let it be my friends, let it be my family. But there's too much that I'm focused on at the moment, and I think as you grow old, you have like a close-knit circle. So I have like 4 or 5 friends who are very close. On a daily basis, I just talk to these people, but yes, there's a lot of other friends who I really like or have common interests with, and who I meet occasionally. But yes, I like to keep it this way. I like to surround myself with only positive people who are very driven. So yeah, that's what I like to do. Next one says your age is 26 and you were college topper. No, I was not a topper at all. I did the bare minimum. I would say 70-80% is what I did all the time, and engineering was not even that much. So I was never the topper. I was never interested in computer science. I wanted to do something creative, so I was never the topper. No. So the next one says you're very hardworking and passionate about YouTube. Yes, definitely. So I think through YouTube I found my passion. I got to connect with so many of you guys who have similar interests. It's such a great platform. It's such a great platform through which I've met so many wonderful people. Let it be viewers. My camera cut me off. So the next one says, this is a little strange. I'm not sure what is expected. What if you're Cinderella and your prince is roaming around the town with your shoe? Okay. Firstly, yes, I love Disney movies. Let it be Cinderella, let it be Belle. But apart from the fun of watching these and feeling really nice and feeling happy looking at their clothes, or just finding your prince charming, when it comes to reality, I don't think one should wait for someone to come and rescue. You should rescue each other, both your partners. You should, it's both of you together, right? There are fairy tales, there are happy endings, there are truly magical things, but you should both make an effort. It's not for you to sit and wait for someone to rescue you, like the Prince Charming in Cinderella. There's a lot of good things about Cinderella stories, about being brave, being strong, being patient, and all those things. And I really like Belle's character, actually. She's very strong and independent, and yeah, a little bit of a feminist. And Prince roaming around the town with my shoe, I'll be really mad at someone, even if it is a person that I really like. If someone has my shoe and if my shoe is missing, I'll be really mad at them. So there's a lot of compliments and positive comments. Thank you so much, Jaya. Thank you so much. This is really sweet. And there's something similar from Suma. Suma Amujuri is a YouTuber from Hyderabad and a very nice friend and a very sweet person. She's a most humble, hardworking woman. What else? Very sweet of you, Suma. Thank you so much. And do check out her channel. She does amazing content. So that was about the assumptions. I hope this was a fun video, and I wanted to do something light since we had like a Women's Day video and then a gynec video and like all serious content. So I thought this would be a little lighter. And also let me know what other videos you would like to watch. I'll leave my Instagram handle here. I post a lot of content there too, a lot of short videos, reviews, and a lot of OOTD pictures. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.